Number 3. Napoleon Prestige 500 Propane Gas Grill. If you want the best high-end infrared grill, the Napoleon Prestige 500 Propane Gas Grill is the one for you. With its impressive 900 square inches of cooking space, this grill is perfect for all your barbecue needs. The beginner-friendly assembly may be a bit tricky due to its size, but once you have it set up, you'll love the easy-to-use temperature dials that light up when turned. One of the standout features of this grill is the large cooking area, perfect for cooking up a storm for your family and friends. The lid, while a bit heavy, is easy to maneuver, and the large handle makes it a breeze to open and close. And if you're looking to sear your food, the cast iron pan in the main area or the infrared side burner will do the trick. During our testing, we did notice that the right side of the grill was consistently hotter than the left, but this can easily be mitigated by spacing out your food or using different cooking methods. Despite this small issue, we found that there were not many flare-ups, making this grill great for low and slow cooking. Overall, the Napoleon Prestige 500 Propane Gas Grill is a top-of-the-line choice for those who want high-quality grilling results. So if you're in the market for a reliable and powerful grill, check this one out today.